everyone. This is Shivagami from SNS College of Technology. As I'm an assistant professor in the Department of Information Technology, here we are going to learn about the topic as project scheduling in DT based manner. Design thinking based real-time example is project scheduling for developing a college attendance monitoring app. Here we are going to do the teacher faced the difficulty tracking students attendance monitoring. Students often miss updates on their attendance percentage and the faculty spend their time preparing report.
Hello, I'm Rashni. Let's empathize the project scheduling. At SNS College, managing student attendance has been largely manual and creating significant challenges for faculty, students and administrative staff. And teachers per class regarding attendance, often facing errors and insufficiency, while students remain unaware of their attendance and percentage in real time, leading of confusion and anxiety. Administrative staff must invest considerable effort on preparing monthly efforts, which is repetitive and time-consuming user research and including reviews with 10 faculty members, surveys of 200 students, and feedback from administrative staff relieved. Faculty require a system that requires the manual efforts, and students want real-time mobile, and administrators seek automated effort-free reportings. And overall, the users needs a real-time and the attendance tracking system that streamlines the process, and stakeholders informed and significantly improved efficiency of students between the faculties across the colleges.
Hello guys, I am Amritashri. Let's talk about the defining of project scheduling. The projects aim to develop a design thinking based college attendance monitoring app that efficiently records, monitors and reports attendance in real time for both faculties and students. The core problem is the lack of transparent and time-saving attendance system in many institutions. The goal is to create a mobile and web-based application within 12 weeks timeline, focusing on user-centered design, seamlessly usability, real-time accuracy, and stored data security. Third, the stage of empathizing with users, define their needs, identifying innovations, solutions, prototyping, and intuitive interfaces, and testing for reliability. The project will ensure in efficient and user-friendly.
Hello everyone, I am Varnika. Let's see the ideal phase of the project scheduling. In the ideal phase of developing the college attendance monitoring app, several brainstorming ideas were explored, including using the QR code, scanning for the attendance and monitoring, and integrating the cloud-based storage, and also for the synchronizing and creating the role-based dashboards for the students, faculty and the administrators. After evaluating the options, the final concept selected was the QR code-based attendance app, where faculty generate the daily QR codes and students log their attendance by scanning them through the mobile application. The project schedule includes the requirement gathering, the user interviews and the future using. It takes the 1 week. The next one is UI/UX design, using the Figma to create the wireframes. It takes the 2 weeks. The next phase is backend development. For this database setup and API creation, it takes 3 weeks to set up. The next one is front-end development. It is for the Android and the web interfaces, and it takes the 3 weeks to complete. And the next one is integration and the testing. It ensures the smooth functionality, and it takes the 2 weeks to complete. The final one is deployment and training, which involves the hosting the app and connecting the user training sessions, and it takes 1 week.
Hello everyone, I am Saurabhi. Now we are going to see a testing for project scheduling of development. In testing, a comprehensive beta testing phase was initially conducted with two separate departments to gather real-world feedback and identify potential areas for improvement. The crucial stage was powered highly valuable as it uncovered noticeable performance delay during the development.
Hello all, I am Vishalachi. I am going to explain about the outcomes and the conclusions. The implementation of the solution lead to the remarkable improvement in the overall efficiency and the user satisfaction. Across all the stakeholders and involved in the project, faculty efficiency improved by the 60%. Previously, the faculty members had to be manually mark the attendance and maintain the attendance for their registers and to later transfer the data into the digital format. A process that was takes too much of time. It maybe causes a human error. After implementing this attendance management system, the faculty members has been experienced a 60% of reduction in the error control. It has been allowing the real-time example for the teachers, which helps. The instant attendance update for the students benefited greatly. Students have been the real-time updates of instead of waiting for the end of the day or an end of the week posting their attendance, there has been student seen their attendance in their student portal using a mobile applications. This transparency helped the students to stay more helped and remain protective about their attendance and their better communication between the students and the faculty. And then automated monthly reports for the administrations has been helpful to the workflow, and day 2 to compile the manually was now completed in a matter of a seconds to an automated reporting. Administrations could be generate the monthly orals and customer report of an effortness, and then enhancing the decisions making and then overall management efficiency. And the conclusions. The conclusion, the real-time example for demonstrating the how the design thinking methodology has been compressing the stage of empathizing, defining, ideate and the prototype test can be implemented in the planning and the managing the data of the student attendance in the software development.
Let's conclude this. This real-time example shows how design thinking principles can be effectively applied to plan and manage a project schedule in software development. I hope all you have understand this concept. Thank you all.